Hi everyone, this video will show you around the Flipgrid homepage. When you go to Flipgrid, you can use the Educator Sign Up button to sign up for an account using your school Google account, or you can choose Educator Login if you already have an account. The first page you'll land on will be the discussion page. This used to be called Grids. This is now your different groups. Groups could be your classroom, for example. Maybe you have just one group, which is your homeroom class, or maybe you have a group for each of your periods, or maybe you have a group for different content areas. Under topics, you'll see all the different conversation starters that you've created, and then you can see which group they go with, when the last activity was, and then you can see the current status of it. Active means that everyone in the group can see and record responses for that topic. If it's frozen, it means they can see it, but they can't record a response. And if it's hidden, it means that the group members won't see that topic anymore. You can also click the blue button to share by getting a link copied, or by sharing it directly to Google Classroom. You also have actions for recording a response, adding it to the Discovery library, hiding, duplicating, or deleting this topic, and so on. And the pencil will allow you to edit the topic. So if you need to add resources or change the directions, this is where you would go. You can also add a new topic on this page. On the groups page, this is where you can create a group. The next page is the Discovery Library. This is a collection of already made Flipgrids grouped by category of partner groups, trending topics. I can see my favorites in my own collections at the top, or I can use the search bar to search for specific topics I might be looking for. I'm going to go down to a collection on race, equity, and justice, and then I can see all kinds of topics that are within this category. And this lets me know what age group they might be appropriate for, so I'll choose this one that's for elementary grades. And then I can click on it and see the actual Flipgrid. From here, I can read what it's about and the instructions. I can save this to one of my collections or my favorites, or I can add the topic right now to one of my groups. Under the Activity tab, you'll see statistics for your particular groups, how many responses you've got, how many different topics you've got. You can see all the recent activity. The next tab is the Mixtapes tab. So a mixtape is basically a montage of your favorite or example Flipgrid responses. So you can take individual responses and put them together into a montage. Normally, to see all the different responses, you'd have to go to the page and click on each one individually. So a mixtape allows you to put them all together into one video. The next tab is for shorts. This is where you can create your own video, including screencasting and a whiteboard and things like that in your video. So it's sort of like doing a Screencastify video using the webcam. But you can create them here, and you don't have to use them just in Flipgrid. You could use your shorts for any sort of purpose or instruction. And then the last tab is for Grid Pals. This is where you can connect with other Flipgrid classrooms across the world. You'll see the little green plus signs kind of populate on the map. Mine is hidden at the moment, but if I turn it active, then other educators could find me on Flipgrid. So you could think of it as sort of like a pen pal if you'd like to connect with another classroom. And that's a little bit about the homepage for Flipgrid.